I have a cat. In French, how we will say I have a cat? J'ai un chat. J'ai un chat. J'ai un chat. J'ai. J'ai means I have. Un. Un means one. J'ai un chat. And chat means cat. J'ai. I have un one chat means cat. Another word is suppose we have two cats. So in number two, how we pronounce in French? So like take an example. I have two cats. I have two cats. So in French we will say j'ai deux chats. J'ai deux chats. J'ai deux chats. J'ai deux chats. In reference to my previous session, in that session, I told you that the pronunciation of singular object and plural object in English is different, but in French is usually same whenever we are pronounced. So this is indicating by their reflecting words or the numbers and so on. But usually the pronunciation is same. So ansha, dasha, ansha, dasha, ansha, dasha. So two means d, two means d. The okay. Now another number is three. So in French, let us take an example. I have three cats. In English, if we say I have three cats, so in French, how we will say? Like I have means J, I have means J, Z, toi, chien, J, toi, chien, J, ton, chat. Z means I have, toi means number three, ch means cat. Z, toi, chat. Z, toi, chat. So three means toi in French. Three means toi in French. Another word is four. So for the cat we say sh, sh, and for the dog we say shan. Sh, shan, sh, shan. Sh means cat, shan means dog. So in French, if we say we have four dogs, we have four dogs. So in French, we will say je cat. Sh. Sh means cat. Sh means dog. Just sh. J cut sh. Cat. Cat like th. English is pronounced ending with t like th. Cat. Usually, if in phonetic you can say like kaith. The pronunciation will be like that. Cat. J cat, sh, G, cat, sh. G means I have, cat means four, sh, sh means dog. G, cat, sh, 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 sh. Sh means cat, sh means dog. G, cat, sh. So, cat means four, cat, cat, T like th, cat. J, cat, sh means I have four dogs. J cat sh, I have four cats. J cat sh, I have four dogs. J cat cheval means I have four horses. Okay, another word is like the number is five. So let us take an example of pens, writing pen. So I have five pens. So five pens. English in English we say five like shank, like in Hindi what we say, na, shank, like an instrument we use in prayers. J, shank, stilo means pen, to write ball pen, nib pen, gel pen, all the stylo. So I have five pens. J, shank, stylo. Whenever you are writing the singular and plural, definitely the phonetic, I mean spelling will be different, but the pronunciation in French always will be same. So J, shank, stylo. So let us take an example again. I have five cats. So how you will say? J, shank, sh. I have five dogs. J, shank, sh. ध्यान remember just sh cat dog and stilo means pen. So J shank stilo. So five means shank. So let us recall this one. Means one. The means two. The twa. Twa means three. Cat. Cat means four. Shank. Shank means five. Okay, another word we learn, what we learn in this video, like we learn cat means sh, we learn stilo means pan, and one more word we learn that sh means dog. Sh. Okay, and if you feel that this video is is helping you to learn your French language, so please do not like to this video and do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any question to ask me, you can make your question in the comment box. Thank you to watch this video and do not forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the further notification that may be inform of your visa related news or the maybe the PTR IELTS exam also, because continuously I am developing the content and not only for the English language exam but also the French communication also. Okay, thank you to watch this video. Bye. Oh, one more thing. In English, in French, we will say au revoir. Au revoir means bye. Au revoir. Bye.